Hi guys, welcome back. So to start off my makeup look, I already went in and filled in my brows. Let's just talk about brows a little bit more. So you guys know that there is a Insta brow and there's this new soap brow that is trending at the moment, and a lot of the influencers are doing this step, and I tried it out a few times. I prefer not doing the soap stuck on brow. I don't like that method, so I feel like it doesn't work for me, but it looks beautiful on other people. For me, I like going in and I found a brushed up brow that suits my liking, which is going in and doing a normal brow like how I would normally go and fill in my brow with using my normal product. To do this, I use my Julienne paint pot in the color dark brown. Okay, so I normally just went and filled it in, and you guys know that I like not filling in the front of my brows just because I want it to look a little bit more natural. So I like the Instagram brow, but I also like a more natural Instagram brow, if that makes any sense. So I like combining my brushed up brow and my Insta brow together, and this is what is going to happen. I'm going to use the NYX tinted brow mascara. This is the shade Expresso. So I am going to use this spoolie with this tint, okay, and I'm going to be brushing my, automatically you guys can see there is a difference. So you guys, this is what I feel like suits me and my my brows. So I already went and filled in my brows, so you guys can see on this corner it is darker, but then as soon as I applied this product on my brows, it's changing the color, and it's also it's looking full, but it also looks like, you know, it's brushed up and it has that soapy brow kind of vibe. So this is my technique and on how I achieve a more natural looking and a more full a more full brow. Can you guys see the difference compared to this brow? Can you guys see? It's this on this side of my face looks so much more natural, and also it looks full. So yeah, I feel this way just helped me so much with my brow routine. Even in person, it's not stuck to my face. You can see the hairs that is, you know, on my eyebrow, and yeah, it looks more full this way. I feel like this is just my way, guys. If you have your own way of doing your brows and you are not happy with how I'm doing this, then do you, babe. You have to do whatever suits you. That is why I tried it out. I tried out the soap brow. Let's just say I still have a long way to go in terms of getting it to the perfect soap brow. So let me know what type of brows you guys are into. I would love to see in the comment section just to know what you guys prefer, and if you guys would like a full-on brow tutorial, like a full-on soap brow tutorial, I will also try and get that up. So I'm going to do the other side. When I'm brushing, I'm just basically so slowly and softly brushing the spoolie into my hairs and just letting each hair get combed evenly with some of the product that is here. And what I like to do is not apply too much of this product. I like to scrape off any excess product by scraping it onto the bottle, and then just go ahead and comb the hairs. And you want to do this in an upward motion so you get that fluffy brow look. Okay, so this is my brows, and yes, it is lighter than my hair, but I feel like as soon as I applied my dark brown, that kind of gives it a little bit of depth. If you're going straight in with this, it's going to be even more natural, but I prefer a full brow, but then obviously comb this. My brows are done. I'm going to go ahead and clean up the underneath, and I'm not going to clean up so close near the brow on the top because I just want it to be more fluffy on the top, so not so clean and neat as you would do a Insta brow. And yeah, how is the sound on this video, guys? I just got a mic and there's it right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Sound check 1 2. So to prime my eyes, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up that brow, underneath the brow, and also just prime the eyelid for the eyeshadow. So you guys, are you okay at home? Are you not going insane with the lockdown? And yeah, how are you guys doing? That's what I want to know. Tell me in the comments. That's it from me. I love you, Fay Fay fam, so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.